Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us. The soccer championship is tomorrow.
Really? That sounds exciting. The best teams are playing tomorrow. Will there be thousands of people there? My team will definitely win.
No way!
My team is stronger. I can almost hear the crowd cheering already. That sounds amazing. Goal. We won! The championship match is tomorrow. Wow! It's gonna be huge! And then the whole castle lit up. Yes, and the fireworks were huge. You both sound very excited. Can we go watch it in person? Please? Let's talk to your father and see what's possible. Really? Yay!
Welcome home.
Hi! Hi, everyone.
So, tell me what's going on.
Hi. That's Ken's fat selfing fine. Dad, it's the biggest game of the year.
That sounds important.
There will be thousands of fans.
And lots of cheering.
What do you think?
Maybe we should look into it. Let's see if we can find tickets. Let's find those tickets.
There are only a few seats left.
These seats look perfect.
The seats are selling out fast. The seats are selling out fast.
Almost done.
Come on.
Please work.
We're going!
I'm so happy for you both.
We're going to the championship!
This is amazing.
I need to get ready. Tomorrow is going to be incredible! I want to look my best. Maybe this one. Look what I found. That's awesome! Tomorrow can't come soon enough. It's gonna be the best day ever. Today's the day. We're going to the stadium today.
Breakfast is ready.
Big day ahead.
I can hardly wait.
We're leaving soon.
Tickets confirmed.
Let's make sure we have everything.
I'm ready. My lucky toy is coming too. I'm completely ready. Me too.
Everyone ready?
Yes.
The stadium, here we come.
Let's go.
Oh. Everything fits perfectly. Next stop, the stadium.
Let's go!
Woohoo! We're getting closer.
I can't wait to see the stadium.
Look at all those fans! There's so many people.
Wow, it's huge. It's bigger than I imagined.
It's like a castle. This is incredible.
Stay close together.
Enjoy the match. Thank you.
I can hear the crowd already. This is amazing. Best seats ever.
Thank you for joining our adventure today. See you next time.